Most students rush this question and miss a key idea about exponential equations. Today we are solving 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. But we're not stopping there. I'll find the exact value of x and then we'll check the solution to prove it really works. If you want to understand exponent equations instead of memorizing steps, this video is for you. We want to solve 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. Usually when we have an exponential equation, the first thing we want to do to be able to solve this, we want to see if we have bases that we could make them into a common base. But 4 and 40, we're not going to be able to do that. So the next thing that comes to mind, we will log both sides. And that's true, you could log both sides right away and go about it this way. But for me, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to just rewrite this as 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals, and I'm going to change this to 4 times 10. Now, I will divide both sides by 4. And now, we know this 4 has a 1 as an exponent. And when we're dividing, we minus the exponents. And therefore, we're going to have 4 to the power of x. And then negative 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 3. That cancels. We have 10. Now, doing this step will make your life a lot easier because now, once you log both sides, we all know log 10 is 1. And here, you have to go to the log rule that tells you log x to the power of a equals a log x, what we know as the power rule. You could bring the exponent down, and that's what we're going to do right here. And we will have x minus 3 log 4. Now I'm going to distribute the log 4 into the 3 and into the x. So I'm going to have x log 4 minus 3 log 4 equals 1. I'm going to move this negative 3 log 4 to the other side. So I have x log 4 equals 1 plus 3 log 4, basically adding 3 log 4 to both sides. And now I'm going to divide both sides by log 4. So that's log 4. And here we're going to have log 4. And now we'll end up having x equals 1 plus 3 log 4 all over log 4. And you could break this down to 1 over log 4 plus 3 log 4 over log 4. which gives me 1 over log 4 plus the log 4's will cancel here and plus 3. And I'm going to change this answer here to 1 over log 4. I'm going to change the 4 to 2 squared plus 3. Now we know the power rule. If we have log x to the power of a, that will give me a log x. We're going to apply that to here, and therefore now here x equals 1 over 2 log 2 plus 3. And that is my answer. And now we want to check if this really works if we sub it in for x here. If we sub this here for x and do this, are we going to get 40? To be able to do that, I have to manipulate this a little bit further. So now we're going to start the check, or start manipulating this. So this will give me x equals, we're going to do a common denominator, and the common denominator is 2 log 2, and we'll have 1 plus, we have to multiply the 3 by 2 log 2, and we're going to get 6 log 2. Also, I'm going to manipulate further by making the 1 log 10 plus 6 log 2 all over 2 log 2. And here, I'm going to make the 10 5 times 2 plus 6 log 2 all over log 2, what I mean 2 log 2 is right here. We'll take this up here. So now log 5 times 2, as we all know, log x y equals log x plus log y. And we're going to apply that to this right here. So I'm going to end up with log 5 plus log 2 plus 6 log 2 all over 2 log 2. Now these are like terms, so I'm going to rewrite this as log 5 plus 7 log 2 all over 2 log 2. And I'm going to break this fraction here, so I'm going to make this log 5 over 2 log 2 plus 7 log 2 over 2 log 2. Log 2's will cancel here. Now this, I'm going to do the change of base, because log x over log a equals log base ax. So this will simply become log base 2 5 over 2 plus 7 over 2, and since they have the same denominator, we're just going to write that as log base 2 5 plus 7 all over 2. Now we're going to go here and plug in this for the x. So we're going to have 4 to the power of x, which is log base 2 5 plus 7 over 2 minus 2. And we're trying to check if it equals 40. This is over 1, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 2. And we're going to have 4 log base 2 5 plus 7. And this here becomes minus 4. We're checking if it equals 40. We'll change the 4 to 2 squared. And now we still have log base 2 5 plus, that's going to be 3 all over 2. Now when you multiply the exponent outside of the brackets into the exponent inside the brackets, the 2's will cancel. And we're going to have 2 log base 2 5 plus 3, and does that equal 40? Now we have to break this down. This is going to be 2 to the power of log base 2 5 times 2 to the power of 3. Now we know when we have a to the power of log base a x, this will cancel and will give me x. So here the 2 and the log base 2 will cancel, and we'll get 5 times, and 2 cubed is basically 8, which gives me 40, and that will equal 40. So this is checked. So we didn't just solve 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. We verified it, checked it, and confirmed that both sides truly match. That's how you know your solution is correct. If this helped you understand exponential equations better, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more math explanations, and I'll see you in the next lesson.